Kaizer Chiefs could miss out in the chase for Chumani Putsaka's signature as Stellenbosch FC are stepping up their pursuit for the midfielder, the Sisea crew has been informed. Putsaka, who finished the 2023-24 season as the captain of the Urban Warriors under Ernest Middendorp, has been of the sought-after players in performance despite the Cape side's ultimate relegation. Chiefs and Stellenbosch have been interested in the player, with sources now indicating why the 22-year-old could remain in the Western Cape for the new season if all goes well for Stellies in their pursuit. Stellenbosch has been prepared to pay around 4 million for Chumani, but the initial offer was rejected. The club is keen on improving the offer, and that's what they are busy with at the moment as things stand, the source added. Chiefs haven't indicated if they will be making an offer better than that for Chumani, which puts Stellenbosch in the lead for the player's service, the source further elaborated. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.